So guys, we are on Mount Kupapui. That is Mount Kupapui. This is Mount Kupapui, and that's the view there. That's the view there. Sorry if we actually for the eyes it's very beautiful, but on this, when I started recording it on my cell phone, it seems bad. I don't know the problem, but it's very beautiful. Although I can't show it, I show the true color, true beauty on the record, on this record video. Then if you can search it on the internet for other recorded videos, for those who have a better camera lens and drones that have taken a picture and recorded a video in this Maligkong rice terraces. You can see it on the internet. I don't have yet any camera. I'm just using my cell phone. So I'll take a picture here later on. If this video will take at least, I think I'll end the video for 3 minutes. I'll wait until 3 minutes. Actually, I don't have a plan to record any video, because my plan is just to kill the at least 1 hour and 30 minutes, because I have only 1 hour and 30 minutes free time, and my plan is to use that to train, go train jogging on the trail. So I started there, coming there, then up there, up until there, and I came here. So my plan is up until there, going there, and going down there. That's my original plan. Actually, if I don't have any problem with my recordings on Suunto application, then I'm already, I think, in that area, or going down in our sitio, or in our house. Though I have a problem with the recordings of Suunto app. The Suunto application stopped recording my activity, so I don't have any motivation to jog again. So I just started to record